This is an aquatic plant called as Potamogeton, also known as pondweed. Potamogeton provides shelter and breeding grounds for variety of aquatic organisms including invertebrates, fish and amphibians. It's a valuable food source for waterfowl like ducks, geese and swans. Some Potamogeton fish species have been used in traditional medicine system. For example, Peanutons has been used for eye inflammation, skin conditions, stomach cramp, diarrhea, and wound healing. It's also having antibacterial properties. A pectin isolated from Potamogeton's natans called Potamogeton PN300 has been shown to have a preventive anti-inflammatory effect.